Hey, I'm Steve Gold, and welcome to 69 Wooster Street. We're here in the heart of Soho, in my client's gut-renovated 6,000 square foot loft. It's 3 beds, 3.5 baths, and it's priced at $12 million. The thing about renovating a space that's so large is you gotta partition it. You need to have different areas where you could relax. You have a key-locked elevator, you come right off. This, I think my client picked it up at Art Basel from Fendi Casa. This kind of created some sense of space between an entry and the living space beyond. You got a coat closet here. I mean, clearly they got enough closet space here because there's not even anything in it. So the owner, when he started to renovate this place, he was dipping into interior design, but he really wanted to take his shot at furniture design. So he furnished this place and designed all the furniture himself. And as you can see, you know, it has a very interesting mix. Lots of different materials. If you're into snakes, I'm scared of them. This is pretty badass, I'd say, and not something you see every day. You have this ribbon iron bar that kind of, you know, floats in the middle of the room. And this used to be a kitchen. He took the island out and he said, that. I'm going to put the kitchen back here so that when I'm entertaining, the food elements are back there. You close that off and you let the good times roll. You want some? Yeah? So sometimes when you have a space this large, you don't know what the hell you could do with it, and that's when you get a hammock for the middle of your room. Louis Vuitton, it's on brand. Dining area, I mean, this is like, hopefully when I sell it, you know, the person would love the furniture that really goes with the apartment, so we're offering it with the furniture as well. It's pretty obvious that this place was made to entertain, to have fun, to really just enjoy each other's company, so much so that every bedroom, it's hidden. Luckily, if you come with me, I'm going to show you guys, but just don't tell anyone. Bedroom number 1. I mean, so most of the people, you know, if you're in the apartment, don't even know this exists. But, you know, you come back here and you have this inclusive suite. A lot of detailing, you know, this moldings throughout. Very, you know, hand-rubbed, you know, to have a patina. You know, velvets and a hotel cost kind of feel. So if you haven't gotten it already, the owner kind of is obsessed with me. My last name's Gold. Really cool kind of ante-room for a bathroom. All black and gold finishes, which is, you know, a theme you'll see throughout the home. One thing you probably noticed is where's the TV? Nice big couch. You still gotta watch TV when you live in a place, so I guess, you know, this is where you kick it back, put on the game. It's not the game, but it's a pretty picture. You guys want to sit? I mean, come, like, there's room for everyone. One thing that maybe 5% of the people who come into this loft get to see is the master suite. Every time I come here for something, it's locked and you can't get in. You're getting a peek into a very, very exclusive world right now. So when the owner kind of told me his vision for this space, he was describing it as a hotel suite. You know, something that he has everything all in his fingertips. He has his gym, he has his bed, he has his tub in front of the bed. I don't know what hotels he's staying at because mine do not look anything like this. From the feet of the lion to the lion's head on the bed, the attention to detail I'm telling you in this loft, it's like thoughtfully been considered when it was renovating. Gold weights. And this punching bag, that tell you attention detail, lion head. He's probably a Leo. This one is a custom gold-plated tub, and it says Gold Digger on the bottom. Even the dog's chew toys are black and gold. I mean, if there's not one thing in this loft that is not on brand. You could imagine yourself in this space if you were to live here, the parties you'd throw, the people who'd come through. But very few people would see your master bathroom, right? Unless it looked like this, in which case you might want to show some people. Second freestanding tub, all gold mosaic tile, and then a mirrored ceiling. Pretty sexy, actually. A loft of this size and the scale of the rooms, you gotta imagine the closets are pretty big, right? I think that's an understatement. It's bigger than a lot of people's apartments. Take a look at this. Double height racks. For people who are short like me, 6'1", you gotta have the double height. So just in case it's not enough room, you got a secondary walk-in closet here. Unbelievable. I walk you through this place, and this apartment, it's not for everyone, and we don't pretend to be. So if you can afford it and you want to have the best parties in all of New York City, in the apartment that has been branded the most Instagram-worthy apartment in downtown Manhattan, then this is the place for you. But you better hurry up, because I have an appointment coming now, so I'm gonna have to send you along.